gymnastic and do cartwheels in the
Don't
snow.
do too much. Don't do too much. Your things.
I've had my thing stuck in several places.
Oh, sorry, man.
Hey, Trevor.
Yeah, how's it going?
Not bad. Is the meat still working in there?
Yeah. Yeah, no, it's working good.
You want to put your stuff? No. We'll put it in. We'll put it in the back right now.
This stuff here?
We'll put it back with the groceries.
Yeah. Okay.
Axes and crowbars,
Yeah. Uh-huh. Okay. Helicopter lift this right out of here. Joint here, eh?
Yeah, but what are you going to carry it with?
We drag her down to the water. We float her on a fucking barge. We bring a boat, a float. Look at the fucking, look at that.
Yeah.
Cleats. And that, take that too.
Well, I wouldn't take that, but the cleats, certainly.
Is that a floating barge?
No, that's an old tugboat.
Oh, that's the stern off the boat. Okay. Whoa, this is a keeper. This is a beauty. Oh yeah, this is something. Huh. Well, we got our work cut out for us.
Heat this bronze up, it'll expand faster than the stainless. It'll loosen.
Heat. How can we do heat too?
Get a big tiger torch.
We don't have one. We don't have one. So the nut's off. That's good.
Yeah, the nuts on this one's
Let's
off.
try the simplest way then. We'll come back here with some jacks. Like we got 2 small little 1-ton jacks, car jacks. We don't have such.
I got one screw jack and one jack hole.
Okay, so we got some stainless cleats next time when we're better prepared. Meanwhile, back at the fire. Dennis Rose is still trying to extract the most amount of money from the least amount of work. Okay. And Dennis's barbecue. We call this not a tailgate. We're on Plan B now.
We're on Plan B after C after A after
Yeah.
B
Okay.
after...
So we're gonna snatch this with this little 1-ton jack. And here we go with the wrench. That's how to do it. One small.
I really enjoy your optimism, Paul.
Okay. Is
One
that tightening
small
already?
click. Has this cooled off? Yeah, look at this.
So
It's already cooled off.
you're saying we take the chain and the jack and pull it this way from here?
Yep.
To what? Towards the tree?
Put the jack on here.
Oh, the jack on there.
The chain around here.
Yeah, that was the original idea. Yeah. Okay, so Polly's now up a tree. And Dennis is working on Plan B. Scrounging. But we found there's a big snatch block up here. So that's what we're going to use. Yeah, they had some weight on it. Yeah, I can get it. Yeah, asbestos here. Oil drums.
You wouldn't be here if there wasn't something to eat. They're not even flying. They're not scared of us.
Well, they were the first time I came here. They were. Yeah, they're too bit. Yeah, see, they're going with that. That's their escape. Ashore and investigate the potential environmental hazards, wouldn't you think?
Wish.
This looks like an environmental nightmare waiting to happen.
Right beside you?
What?
That used to be the fuel tank for your house.
For my house? Yeah. Well, hey Dennis, this is we got a new place to live. Welcome home, Dennis.
Stepping ashore.
Hang on.